Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Wheat flour. The flour. Plain wheat flour is the most popular choice, although buckwheat flour is a common alternative, especially in Brittany, the home of the savory galette bretonne, and Caroline Conran gives a recipe for crepes made with chestnut flour in her award-winning Sud de France. 12 February 2015.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The equipment. An 8-inch nonstick skillet or crepe pan, 1/4 cup dry measuring cup, and a rubber spatula are the only things needed to cook beautiful crepes. But a blender and whisk ensure a smooth batter. 19 November 2008.
Take our lead.
If the crepes were crisp, then it is likely that the frying pan was too hot and the crepe was cooked for too long. The frying pan should not be so hot that the batter starts to set as soon as it hits the pan. Instead, you should be able to tilt the pan so that the batter forms a thin layer over the base of the pan. 13 March 2017.
Take our lead.
There are two reasons for crepes turning out rubbery: too much gluten, flour, or cooking the crepes too slow. Plus, the resting time of 20 to 30 minutes for the batter also helps to keep the crepes soft. If you're using a whisk, mix the flour with about half of the milk to create a smooth, thick paste.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.